Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open the Studio Calico September kit. And I've been trying to unbox this for days, and there's always something going on, some noise from the street, from my house. So I know that the colors of this one are really cute, so I can't wait. I did get the add-on stamp for this month. It's really cute, really simple. And just says, keep looking on the bright side, good things to note, and fun times ahead. Then we have like you can add like a little sun here. We have basic shapes. I love this, so it's one of my favorites. Cards or papers. Important, just have fun. There we go. And ooh, the inside is really cute. I hope we see this pattern. It's really cute. And then inside we have a giant tag with a sunny face, and we have some die cuts here. I don't have anything. We have a rainbow, duly noted, flower, do all things with kindness, a rainbow, real life, flowers, more flowers, let your little light shine, and everybody have fun tonight. These are really cute. I love the colors and the fonts they use. Colorful kits are always my favorite. So I wish it had a few more rainbows. And then we have these alphas, which I love because they have numbers. They're really cute. I love the color. I love this material. Whenever I want to use just black, I can use my Tombow twin tone, not the twin tone, the mono twin, and color them black. And then we have these chipboard stickers. They're super cute. We have a peace sign, a sun looking to the side. Be nice to yourself. Important. Just have fun. It takes courage to be kind, which is a quote from Maya Angelou. Do good things. Keep on shining. Stay positive, and things to note. And this is just like a little preview of what you can do with the stamp. Then we have a stack of books, and today I had a really good book sale at a library that is not too close for me, but I got so many books for $17. I'm very excited. And we have 2 sheets of these stickers. We have so much fun. Life right now. Do good things. This happened. Have a nice day. The good stuff, daily happiness, and document this. This is really cute. You can put this in your typewriter and type whatever you want. If you get the digital version of this kit, that could also be really handy. And we have some tags here. Now these tags I don't remember at all. I also didn't remember these stickers. And I like the combo of these, of this floss with these colors. They're really pretty. Okay, and now I remember the numbers because I was so excited for this. This might be my favorite thing this month. So we have 0, 8, 6, or 9. Then we have the same thing but in a minty color. 7, 4, 1, and I love the pink. 2 and 3. So I am so excited for these. These are adorable. Oh, wait a minute. I don't have a 5. Huh. Okay, that must be some mistake. But one good thing that I can't complain at all about Studio Calico is that the times that I've had issues with a product, they always come through. They don't get like snarky or mean about it. They're like, oh my god, we're so sorry you missed X product. We'll send it to you. And I have no complaints about that. And it has happened a few times. So, like, accidents happen, you know. We're all human. But if I don't like when companies are like, yeah, then prove it. Are you for real? Or when when something doesn't get to your house and they're like, take a picture of the item that you ordered that is not there, and it's just a picture of you with your empty hands. Do good, be kind, be nice to yourself. And I love the colors. I am obsessed with the way this is like multicolor quotes. I love this too. It's very library friendly. This is really cute. Do good recklessly. And we have the days of the week. We have a full paper. Okay, I am obsessed with the gummy bears. They are too cute. Oh, I'm glad we got one of those. Love the stars. This is so cute. It's like the light bright. Or like the memories from Inside Out. Really cute. And I like it. It has kind of like a 60s vibe. And I really love this whole page. Feeling bright. And then we have read books. And the back is really pretty too. We have lollipops. I like it. It has a little slight pop art element. This moment. Rated. And you have 1 through 10. Date. There's never enough time to do all the nothing you want. That's true. Do good. Oh, this is cute. It's like little rainbows and little suns. We have another sun. Do literally whatever makes you happy. Some good stuff lately. And of course, we always get a rainbow card. It usually is 6x4 and 6x4, but I don't mind adding one row of squares to the top one. That looks cute. I am obsessed with this. I love the font. It looks like it was paper cut, like officially nearing bookworm status. Currently reading. Up next, favorite genre, favorite author, book club, yes, no, building my library, borrowing and buying, one at a time, the more the merrier. So you know that I'm gonna use this. Again, do literally whatever makes you happy. With freedom, books, flowers, and the moon, who could not be happy? Oscar Wilde. And I love these. There was a show. It wasn't Yoga Baba. I can't remember the show that it had faces that moved like that in blocks. We get a big rainbow. Okay, this one is the only paper. But it's... And I love this pink. The colors this month are amazing. Sweetest candy, do good things. Oh, and we have book paper. And I love this bright blue in the background. And meh, and then we got 1, 2, 3, and we have like a little checklist here. Give yourself a measure of grace. I love this flower pattern. Look on the bright side. I love ledger. I wish it was like one of the bright colors, but it's still really, really pretty. Rule number 1 is that you gotta have fun. Better days are on your way. And then we have another version of that checkered pattern. Really pretty. I love those two colors together. And I like this. I don't know what I would do with it. Maybe add some words here. I'm probably gonna have to cut it because I don't do too many 6x8 projects, or I can use it for my costume album, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'm done. Bye. Be kind. We have another of that ledger paper. I am so happy that we get one big sheet like that. I love this because you can put either week 14 there, or you can put a little photo, add a little tag. I have an infinite number of reasons to be happy, and this is a really pretty quote, and I love how they managed to fit that in the rectangles. Really pretty. We got some florals. This flower, date, location, and notes. Keeping it real, be nice to yourself. Some good stuff lately. Then we have our cut apart sheet, and it looks so pretty between the books and have a great day, and this let your little light shine. This is really cute. Just bringing this to your attention. A little tag in the middle. I like this background too. And then we have the 2x2 squares. This is so cute. Okay, usually because I'm such a big embellishment person, I thought that the numbers were gonna blow out everything from the water, but the papers this month, the designers had their color Wheaties like that morning. Everything is so cute. Like one thing that I would have liked to see was maybe a full sheet of these gummy bears, or maybe even washi of the gummy bears. But you know what, I am nitpicking because everything is so cute. Oh, or a washi with the little books, and that's just because I'm a book person. I'm working on my book journal. And you know what, let me show you a little sneak peek of what I've done so far. So I share a picture of this on Instagram. Here's where you put the index with the number of the page and the title and the rating and how much. I have to like fill this out because I use the app Bookmori to track that, but this is one of my favorite ones. But I'm just gonna give you this is the one that goes next, Bright Young Women. But and then I'll do a video with like a little more detailed, and I also want to do a process video, but I really want to at least have photos on my December daily before I do that. So let me know what was your favorite item. This was such a beautiful kit. The colors are amazing. I am so happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye!